Welcome to Peggy's Cove, where the Atlantic Ocean meets ancient granite in a dance of wind, waves, and timeless beauty. This is Peggy's Point Lighthouse, one of Canada's most iconic landmarks. Standing proud since 1915, it's more than a beacon, it's a symbol of resilience and maritime legacy. The rocks here are raw and powerful, shaped by glaciers and time. They whisper stories of shipwrecks, storms, and the quiet strength of the sea. Just steps away, the village of Peggy's Cove feels like a painting come to life. Weathered homes, lobster traps, and fishing boats speak of a community deeply rooted in the ocean's rhythm. Don't miss the Fisherman's Monument, etched into granite by artist William Degarthe, a tribute to the souls who braved these waters and built a life from the sea. The Mi'kmaq Indians were the first people to inhabit Nova Scotia, while the Acadians, French colonists, established the first permanent European settlement at Port Royal in 1605. Later, a Scottish colony was founded, and various groups including New Englanders, foreign Protestants, from Germany, Switzerland, and Montbéliard, and Loyalists also settled the region. A small population of Mi'kmaq Indians still live in the region. And when the sun begins to set, Peggy's Cove transforms. The sky ignites in hues of gold and crimson, casting a glow that feels almost sacred. Peggy's Cove isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. A place where nature, history, and heart converge. Whether you come for the view, the stories, or the silence, you'll leave with something unforgettable.